Hi friends, I'm Shrutika. In this data structure and algorithm tutorial, we are going to study shell sort. So, what do you mean by shell sort? Shell sort is often termed as an improvement over insertion sort. In insertion sort, we take increment by 1 to compare elements and put them in their proper position. In shell sort, the list is sorted by breaking it down into a number of smaller sublists. It's not necessary that the list need to be with contiguous elements. Instead, shell sort technique uses increment I, which is also called as gap, and uses it to create a list of elements that are I elements apart. So we have to see the general algorithm for shell sort technique. In the given algorithm, we first set n, which is the gap for sorting the array A using the shell sort. In the next step, we divide the array into a sub-arrays by using the gap. Then in the next step, we sort each of the sub-arrays so that at the end of the loop, we will get a sorted array. Next, let us discuss a detailed example to better understand the shell sort using a pictorial representation. So you can see the shell sort example. So consider the following array of 10 elements. Consider this example having 10 elements. If we provide a gap of 3, then we will have the following sublist with each element, that is 3 elements apart. We then sort these 3 sublists: first sublist, second sublist, and third sublist, as you can see in the slide. So the sorted sublist and So the sorted sublist and the resultant list that we obtain after combining the three sorted sublists are as you can see on the slides. The above array, you can see the above array, upper one array that we have obtained after merging the sorted subarrays is nearly sorted. Now we can perform insertion sort on this list and sort the entire array. This final step is shown for your reference. So you can see, as seen, after performing shell sort and merging the sorted sublist, we only require 3 moves to completely sort the list. Thus, we can see that we can significantly reduce the number of steps required to sort the arrays. The choice of increment to create sublist is a unique feature of shell sort. So, thank you for. I hope you understand this. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.